Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a UnitedHealthcare member account, online enrollment guide step by step clearly. To create a UnitedHealthcare member account, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.uhc.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Click on sign in to access the login screen. If you don't have an account yet, locate the Create Account link and click on it. You will be redirected to the account creation page. Start by entering your personal information such as your name, date of birth, and member ID. Your member ID can usually be found on your health insurance card. Next, input your email address and choose a secure password. Make sure your password meets the security requirements listed on the page. After filling in all the required fields, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box confirming your acceptance. Now, click on the Create Account button to submit your information. You may be asked to verify your email address, so check your inbox for a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once confirmed, return to the UnitedHealthcare website. Now, go back to the sign-in option. Enter your email and password to log into your newly created account. Congratulations, you now have access to your UnitedHealthcare member account online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.